Did you know that according to Gas Safe Register, 1/3 of UK homeowners are thinking of skipping their annual gas safety check? Not only does it put themselves and others at risk, but it's bad for your business. Hi, I'm Aaron at Gas Engineer Software, and I'm going to tell you 3 ways you can get customers to book their gas safety checks this year. But first, why are potential customers skipping gas safety checks? Some people have cost concerns, so they can't or do not want to justify the cost of the checks, mainly because the lack of awareness of the dangers of not having a gas safety check can bring. So here's what you can do. Send email campaigns. Drop your customer an email explaining the risk of skipping a check for them and their family with a pre-written email template, link in the description of this video. Advertise locally. Drop a flyer into letterboxes or advertise in a local newspaper. You could even offer a discount or a referral scheme to book more jobs. Automate service reminders. Plenty of people simply forget to book a safety check. Our role. We will help you with managing customer data. Easily organise, communicate with all of your customers. Automating service reminders. Save time with fast automations for your business. Easy scheduling and paperwork. Easily book jobs, create, sign and send, and organise gas records. Join over 5,000 UK heating and plumbing companies and get everything you need to run your business with Gas Engineer Software.